My name is Hailey. I'm one of the registered nurses here at Renew. I have 14 years of experience as a registered nurse here in the community, and I've been with Renew since the beginning. My role here at Renew is the Naturalist. I have an autoimmune disorder, so I'm very mindful of what I put in my body. I specialize in platelet-rich plasma and platelet-rich fibrin, or PRP and PRF injections. They are all natural and the safest way for me and others to participate in anti-aging procedures. For a PRP or PRF procedure, it requires a simple blood draw. Once we've collected your blood, we spin it in a centrifuge where it separates out the distinct layers of the blood. PRF spins much slower, which allows for a higher concentration of white blood cells, leukocytes, stem cells, and growth factors. A PRF procedure takes about 1 hour. After you leave the appointment, you'll be pleased with the volume replacement that you have. This lasts for about 3 to 5 days. Then your body absorbs all of the growth factors and platelets we've put into your body. In about 2 to 3 months, you'll see optimal results. These can last for up to a year. PRF is a great choice for an injectable if you're looking for a more subtle, all-natural way to replace lost volume, improve skin tone, color, and texture, and activate collagen for a more youthful look and appearance. If you have any further questions or wonder if PRP or PRF is right for you, please reach out. We'd be happy to answer any questions or set up a free consultation. We look forward to seeing you.